Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So today we're working again on that 2020 Accord. So what we're doing is installing a diffuser. This one, I haven't seen any video on anyone doing this one, so it might be a little difficult, I wouldn't say. So I'm just going in onto it blind, I guess, but let's see what happened. So anyway, let's go guys and start the installation. A lot of you guys who watch my channel, boop, 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 have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below right there, boop, boop, super easy, and put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do, we gotta remove this part. There's a couple clips, there might be a screw underneath it too, but there's a couple screws. Let's remove the screws first and see what else we have to remove. All right, let's go. I'm gonna get some glasses.
Nah, I actually seen the screw.
You see it? It's right here. Right here. It's not a screw, it's a...
Nah, look, there's one right there.
Oh, there is? Oh, okay, but this thing is been held on by a 10mm too, on the 8. So guys, right over here, there is a little screw, Phillips. So we're gonna take the Phillips out, and on the top, there is also an 8mm we're gonna have to take out as well to take that little cover, whatever that thing is. So that's what we're working on now. Let me see if I can show it to you guys.
Right there.
So behind here, there's a screw behind here, guys. So we just took it out. Here's the screw, guys, we just took out. And then on the top, I don't know if you could see, right here, there's a little 8mm you gotta take out. So we're gonna take that out as well. So let me take out the camera. And guys, when you're doing this, make sure you have some eye protection, because there's a bunch of stuff coming out of the bumper. You don't want that to fall on your eye. Let me see this. All right guys, see right here where my finger is, there's another little 10mm we gotta take out too. Almost, guys. Oh, is there something else holding it?
I think we might have to take this part off first.
It's a clip thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so alright guys. Well, I think. Well, let me see. Move your hand. Seriously? They put in, there's a screw right here. Oh, come on. So guys, there's basically another screw right here holding it. I think it's on the top, so let's look it up. Okay guys, we got it. Woo. Oh my goodness, I didn't think this was gonna be so hard. So here it is. We took the, what is that, the fake exhaust exit out. So now we're gonna have to try to do the same thing on the other side. So this was the before, this is the after. So now let's do the other one. Oh, I got it. Woo.
Did you get one?
Yep. Guys, this is very hard to do. I did on the other one, I didn't show it to you, but there's a screw right on top of here. You see where my thing is right here? there's a screw right here to take this thing off. So you have to put it at an angle down. So this is what I'm doing. So see how I'm doing it? That's how you got to take it out. Okay, I got it, guys. Okay guys, so both of them are out. Whew. So guys, the diffuser come with these tips we're gonna put on. It's gonna make the car look super cool. We're gonna change them later once we get the exhaust, but for now we want to put them on to make them look super nice. Before we put them on, this is what they look like. This is the old one, guys. This is, you know, what they look like. Let me try to hold them up. So here it is. This is what they were before, guys. So from these to the other one. So let's try to figure out how to put them on. Let's go. So guys, we're gonna put the exhaust tips on before we put the diffuser on. It comes with the provided screw. So there's a screw that goes here, there's one that goes on the side here, and we're gonna try to figure out where this one, that one right here, I think it goes into the bumper itself, but we'll figure that out in a little bit. So we're putting this on right now. So far we got these guys in. Now we're gonna screw it up a little bit longer. So guys, we're just heating the bumper a little bit because today is cold. So to make sure the adhesive stay, it's 3M tape, but still, it's always best when it's warmer. So I'm gonna start taking some of the covers back off. So now we're gonna try to line everything up. Oh, yeah. Have to put some screws to hold this thing. Oh no, definitely. There's no way it's gonna stay. Yeah. All right. So it looks good on your end. Okay. So I'm gonna start taking the rest out. There you go, guys. I think it looks really good though, not even gonna lie. But I gotta tell you guys, because you know, aftermarket stuff is a little different, so you may have to put some screws to the corners to hold it, but it does look really good. It does look really good, guys. It looks so good.
Just looks meaner and meaner.
Yeah, yes. Very soon it's gonna sound even meaner. Okay guys, so the kit comes with 8 different screws that we're gonna have to use. So we're gonna go under the car and put the screws on. And then I'm gonna try to screw it in. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put one of those screws that come into the kit. All right, you push this up like that. You see where my hand is? Like this.
Is it cushion it?
Yep, it's in. Let me tighten it a little more. Oh, it's in. All right, that one is in. Let's try this one here. I'm assuming, does it go? Okay, got it, guys. Okay, let's move forward. We're gonna put a screw right here.
That was really tough. Cause look, touch it right here.
Okay, I don't, because it's already pulling it. Yeah, it's good enough. It's not going anywhere. Keep going. You need a little more. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going until it's flush. A little more, like two more big. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, okay, now it's flush. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Whew, sorry, perfect. Hold on. Okay, this is a little... I want you to push this. You see where my hand is? Like that. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, yep. Keep it right there. Yeah, that's good. Alright, hold on. I think it's in.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Okay, that's as tight as I can make it. And then we got one more screw. I'm gonna put over here. I think it's just, yep, hold it. Okay, all right, I think that's all the screws. So here it is, guys. You just seen us do the install of it. So the only thing we're not really happy with, I don't know if you guys can really see, you see how these corners are coming off a little bit. So we're gonna try to find a couple of screws, maybe one here, two here, to make sure it stays put. Same on this side. But so far we like the way it looks. All right, let's see what we can find. So guys, I didn't like the way this corner was coming off a little bit, even that corner right here too. So I don't know if you could see, so I put a screw right here to hold it, make it stay firm, and another one on this side here. So we're gonna watch this corner for the next couple of days and see what happened. We may have to put another screw. I don't know where we're gonna put it yet, but so far so good, guys. So far so good. I like it.